Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you the process of issue to contractor. How to issue one material to any contractor. Okay. In previous video, we have seen how to issue material to different tasks and how to transfer the material to another store. Okay. Now there may be some situations in you want to issue the material to any contractor. You don't want to specify task, you directly want to transfer this to the contractor. Okay, so for this kind of for this kind of scenario we use issue to contractor. Okay, so issue to contractor basically available inside the issue menu of site module, where and the process is very simple. We have to select project. After selecting project, here is material name option is here, where I will select one materials and search. Now, the first thing I need to mention the contractor name, whom I am going to issue that material, work order number, which is optional, challan number will be generated after saving that record, vehicle number I can mark, e-bill number I can enter by using this option. Now, do you want to issue? It is so there are certain types of issue. Is it non-returnable, returnable, sale bill, debitable by debit note, debitable by sale bill, and debitable by sale bill or extra requisitions. Okay, so you have to select the type. So right, I want to issue is non-returnable or non-debitable. So this is the issue date. Now here is the stock of selected material. These are the stores and these are the brands. Now I want to take stock quantity from first store, block store. The quantity is available is 10,457 bag, and I want to take 100 quantity from here and want to transfer to this contractor. So I just have to mention the quantity and have to save that. This record will be saved and one issue number will be generated. If you want to generate more issue, then you can use issue more option. If you want to take the print of this issue, then you can take printout option. Thanks for watching this video.